Today here's in this full video I will show you how to allow camera on Snapchat in your iPhone. When the people open Snapchat app for the first time, an app asking for allow camera as well as pop-up messages. Firstly, if you skip this option, then how to give permissions. So here I will show some solutions you will need to know. Here I am open Snapchat app and it will show unable to access camera and say we could not access your camera. So now simply tap on OK. That's it, and here you can see that camera is not working. So now we'll need to go settings app. Here launch the settings app and scrolling down to below and you will find Snapchat app. So now tap on Snapchat app and here you will see camera option. Now turn on toggle for this option. Now we'll go to Snapchat and check it. Maybe it will help you to work camera on Snapchat. If still it isn't work, then what's next solution? In this solution, again open settings app. In settings, open screen time option. And here, tap on content and privacy restrictions. Once you are here, then tap on allowed apps. Here, you will find camera option. Now tap turn toggle on for this. Now we'll go to Snapchat app and check it will work or not. Make sure once close your app and then open it. As you can see here, camera is completely working. And now camera is able to take a shot on Snapchat app. So it's done here. Now we will see next solution. In this method, first you have to go App Store. So here I am open App Store and then go to search and search for Snapchat app. So that here you will get Snapchat app at the bottom. Open Snapchat from here so that you will know to update your Snapchat app. Update your Snapchat app with latest version. After updating the app, open it. So here I have opened Snapchat app and you will know this is updated version. After updating, the camera is also working. Now this is able to take shot and also you will add stickers as well as location and much more. So that's how easily it's all done. If still you can't access camera, then show the next solution. Open settings, then tap on privacy. Here tap camera. In camera option, simply turn toggle on for Snapchat app. If it is turned on, then once turn it off and again turn it on. If you turn off toggle, then you can't able to access camera on your Snapchat. So now tap open settings. Now from here go back and open privacy option. Here you will find camera and tap turn toggle on for Snapchat app. So now you will able to access camera on your Snapchat app. That's the easiest way to access the camera option on your Snapchat app. So please carefully follow my steps. Now again open settings app. And now from here open general settings. Here go to bottom of the screen and tap on reset. Here tap on reset location and privacy settings. Enter your passcode if asking and then again tap on reset settings. So that you can able to access camera on your Snapchat app. Here's that's done. Next see one more solution. So firstly open settings app and then tap general. Here go to bottom of the screen and tap on reset. Now tap reset all settings. Here's again tap on reset all settings. After done with all this, then go to Snapchat app and check your camera is working or not. Here's, as you can see, now Snapchat camera is able to take shot. Then you can add stickers and also you can draw anything. So that's the easiest way. I hope this video will helpful to all of you. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.